guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to moonwalk and how to side glide and plus a spin. And there are different ways you can spin. There's key to moonwalking is you need the right floor and the right shoes because you're going to have to be able to slide and push off. And let's get into the video. And put your dominant foot up, which it doesn't matter which one's the audience or wherever you want to face. You can put your dominant foot this way or you can be facing this way. But this is my right leg, this is my left leg. If you're left, then do this. If you're right, then do this. I can't really do it on my left, but I can do it on my right. And you just want to lift up your foot, be on your toes, keep this leg in place, and you know if you're doing it right if you feel it in your thighs. Just gonna push off to about maybe a half foot away, a foot or so from your foot, and then you're gonna switch. So your left leg is now on its toes, and your right is on the flat. So again, switch, switch, switch. And if you're having issues doing it, make sure you're pushing back, not pulling, because pulling is like, you're gonna be like sliding and you're probably gonna have sore legs the next day because it's gonna hurt your ankles and your shin. So as long as you're pushing off, it's gonna just feel like that. You're just gonna be just pushing off. Again, dominant leg bent, other leg straight, push back, switch, push back, switch. And once you finally get that down, it's gonna look something like this. Where I am now, it is kind of hard to do on this floor, so it isn't really the best place to be showing you, but it could be worse. And these are the only shoes I have that would work. But if you are having issues and your shoes aren't working, this is tape that you can buy that actually you peel it off the holder and you put it on the bottom of your shoe, the sticky on the shoe, obviously, and then the soft part will be touching the ground you're going to be doing it on because it will help your shoes slide. So if you are having issues again with shoes, just make sure you get that or maybe figure out what's just best for you to do it. Because you actually can do it in socks, it just doesn't look right. But I will show you just so you know what it looks like. The next thing I'm going to be teaching you is side glide. Through your dominant leg, and for it to look right, you're going to want the front of you facing whoever is looking at you doing the side glide, which I just call it side moonwalking, but I guess it's called the side glide, so yeah, funny talking. You just lift up your dominant foot, you're going to push off. So that's the main thing you're going to need to focus on practicing. Leg up, push. When you push off, depending on how you are learning to do it, I usually have my legs a little wider than shoulder length when I do this. So you're just going to start off, push off, you're going to turn this foot. So for the side glide, to show you the full way to do it, I am going to actually show you guys in socks because these shoes don't do justice. There's different ways you can go in a circle, you can just do it sideways, you can moonwalk and then like switch into it. I'm just going to be showing you the by itself push off about, I do wider than shoulder length, but depending on what you're comfortable with, I'm just going to be doing that. So push off, turn this foot, turn this foot and push it that way. Go back, and then do it again. So again, push off, turn this foot in and push out, and then back. So it looks something like this. This one you can do slippers, socks, barefoot, shoes, whatever you want to wear. What you're first going to do is just square your legs with have it shoulder length apart. You're going to take your non-dominant foot or dominant, whatever way you want to spin, cross it over, and lift up, turn, and you should be like that. So then when you get around, it kind of looks like this. So when you do it in full motion, you can take your dominant foot, point it in, and then you're going to turn on your heels. So it just looks something like this. So that's the tutorial. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below if you can. Which I think you can, because after my April Fool's video, for some reason the comments got undisabled. So I'm confused. Another way you can is comment on my latest Instagram post, which my Instagram is right there, and in the description, and my about of my YouTube channel. So you have definitely many different places you can check. Check out my second channel, Matt's Game Squad. I do tons and tons of fun gaming. You can request a game, like a video game, PC, Xbox, PlayStation. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, let me know. If you do, let me know in the polls, in the comments, Instagram, just wherever you can comment. And I'll see you in the next video. Hope you learned to moonwalk.